Hey everyone, new knife day. I got a new pretty blade from Batangas. Gawa ito ng kaibigan nating si Jorin De Castro, or kilala rin sa kanyang Facebook page na Balisong Batangas. Kakarating lang today and look at that, what a beauty. This is a Sax or a Viking Sax inspired knife. Kaya Wharncliffe ang profile ng blade. Straight lang siya, parallel yung spine tsaka edge, because this was made out of a rasp. A rasp is wonderful to make as a knife kasi meron siyang dalawang different surfaces. This one, ito yung magaspang, and the finer side is this one, mga stripes lang, straight lines lang. So the handle is made of a deer antler. This antler came from Texas, I think, or Minnesota, I forgot. Fastened by a brass tube, a brass rod, and meron isang mosaic pin. Nice touch on this, brother. Meron siyang brass guard, and then this black spacer, which I think some industrial plastic, or hindi naman sa amoy sungay ng kalabaw, so probably this would be resin or some sort of a plastic. May spacer pa dito na not sure if this is Kydex or whatever. The pommel has a brass piece na contoured and textured. Galing, oh. Kasi this antler, I think merong crack sa crown niya, so tinabunan niya ng brass. Additional trabaho, and it's a nice touch. Yeah, the blade length is 6.5 inches. Handle is 4.5. It doesn't have a sheath. Gawang ko na lang ito. Pwedeng leather. Pwedeng leather ito because of ito kasi ano eh, deer antler, and so pwedeng mag-match dito ang leather. But also I would like to try Kydex on this one also. Check this guy, mga kaibigan, kung gusto niyo ng mga customized blades. Magaling din siya gumawa ng Kydex sheaths. If you have knives that you'd like some Kydex sheaths installed, then contact niyo lang siya. This guy is cool. So overall, I'm satisfied with this build. It's I'm happy to have this added into my growing fixed blade collection. So here we have, mga kaibigan, ginawa na natin ng sheath itong knife na ito. I wanted to go with leather para mag-match dito sa deer antler, but may dumating kasi ako na Kydex na see-through, clear or frost. I don't know what's the real name for this one. So sinubukan natin kasi ang purpose ko dito ay para ma-expose or makita, visible yung texture ng blade. Gaya nito, may mga itong lines ng file, at ito parang triangular na mga ukit ng rasp. It's exposed dito sa see-through na Kydex sheet. So yan, and then I decorated with paracord para naman hindi siya masyadong plain. So I guess okay naman. Importante lang naman dyan is ma-protect yung blade at ang user if we're going to take this knife sa labas or travel natin. Ngayon ang mga alaga ko. So yeah, I guess that's about it. Thank you sa kaibigan natin si Jorin. Shout out sa iyo. Balisong Batangas, Balisong, ano pa yung mga pangalan niya sa Facebook. Basta legit yan siya na nagbebenta ng mga balisong at gumagawa din ng mga fixed blades. Magaling yung touch niya. Finishing skills niya maganda rin, makintab, at talagang he spends a lot of time polishing his blades, kaya napakakinis, makintab yung mga surface ng blades. So yeah, yun lang. Thank you for watching. Stay safe everyone. Stay sharp.